I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned beets easy guide. Start by selecting firm, similarly sized beets for even cooking. Scrub them thoroughly, trim roots, and leave a small stem. Prepare jars and lids by washing in hot soapy water and keeping them warm. Measure vinegar, water, and canning salt precisely. Set a large pot of water to boil for blanching while you assemble your tools and workspace, tidy and ready. Warm and friendly, here we cook beets to the right tenderness for canning. Place beets in boiling water and cook until a fork pierces easily, typically 20 to 40 minutes based on size. Drain and cool just enough to handle, then remove skins with a towel or gloved hands to avoid staining. Cut into uniform slices or quarters to fit jars snugly. Pack jars without squeezing, leaving appropriate headspace for safe canning. Thanks for watching this quick break. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more canning tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you refreshed while you work and wipes beet stains from your hands with fewer spills, a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a sip and get ready to finish processing your jars. Now let's get back to the video. Now we make the brine and seal jars for long shelf life. Combine vinegar, water, canning salt, and optional sugar, then simmer to meld flavors. Pour the hot brine over packed beets, maintaining a 1/2 inch headspace, wipe jar rims, and apply lids and rings finger tight. Use a pressure canner to process jars for the recommended time based on jar size. Cooling slowly yields the best seal and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.